5 generations of my family have called the Birdtail Ranch home. I am excited and ready to fight for the Montana I grew up in and the Montana we all want to call home for years to come. Growing up in Sims, I competed in a variety of 4-H projects, AQHA horse shows, high school football, and speech and drama. Of course, all while keeping the brood mares fed, checking for colts or calves, putting up hay, and fixing anything that broke along the way with some ingenuity and sweat. After graduation, I attended West Point and became a Blackhawk helicopter pilot in the Army. I served in South Korea and am a proud Iraq War veteran. After the military, I traveled abroad spanning over 60 countries, working humanitarian projects in Afghanistan, Pakistan, Myanmar, Kurdistan, Kenya, and Rwanda. It's safe to say there isn't a religion or culture that I haven't lived in. Back in the US, I was able to put my West Point engineering degree to work as a power plant engineer, inspecting coal and gas plants across the country. Finally, I wrapped up my MBA at Washington University in St. Louis and did what most families simply hope for anymore. I came back to be the next generation to run the family's Birdtail Ranch. To me, there is no better life than that of a rancher.
I've spent the better part of 2019 traveling across Montana listening to those from all walks of life. I have heard the concerns. Montana's agriculture heritage needs a champion to stand up for our way of life. Someone willing to dig their heels in to bring back prosperity to rural communities and small towns. Education must be boosted to give our next generation a fair shot and competitive edge. Unions, working class, ranchers and farmers alike need a fighter in their corner when it comes to government. As a veteran, I know our active duty, guard, reserve, and veterans must be taken care of the best way Montana can.
My name is Matt Raines. I'm running for House District 22, fighting for Montana's heritage, fighting for Montana's future.